In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Zoho Books. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to adjust a currency's settings so your invoices, bills, and reports show up the way you expect. I'll keep things clear and simple, and I'll add helpful context so you understand what each choice means without overwhelming you. Start by opening your Zoho Books account and landing on your homepage or dashboard. This is your central hub, and it's the best place to begin because all navigation flows from here. If you manage multiple organizations, make sure you've selected the correct one before you proceed, since currency settings apply to the organization you're currently viewing. Also, ensure you have the right permissions. Typically, administrators or users with access to organization settings can make these changes. If something isn't visible, it may be due to role permissions. From the dashboard, look for the settings area. Depending on your layout and screen size, it may appear as a gear icon, often near the sidebar or in the lower portion of the navigation. Click it to open the full settings panel. This is where Zoho Books groups all the configuration options that shape how your account behaves, from taxes and templates to users and, of course, currencies. Inside the settings, go to the section called Setup and Configurations. Think of this as the backbone of your account, global preferences that affect how data is recorded and displayed. Opening this area keeps things organized and narrows the list to the most relevant options for structural changes. Within Setup and Configurations, choose Currencies. This page lists all the currencies that your organization currently recognizes. You'll typically see each currency's name, code, symbol, and, in many cases, exchange rate information used for conversions in multi-currency transactions. If you work with customers, vendors, or bank accounts in different regions, this is where you maintain clarity and consistency. Next, find and click the currency you want to change. You can scan the list or use any available search or filter tools to get to it quickly. When you open a currency, you'll see its editable details. Depending on your account and region, you may be able to adjust the symbol, the display format, the number of decimal places, and the current exchange rate. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the right currency. Check the three-letter code and the symbol so there's no confusion with similar names. If you're updating an exchange rate, consider the effective date in your accounting context. Many businesses update rates regularly to reflect market conditions, but do what aligns with your internal policies and reporting needs. Keep in mind that changing a currency's settings typically influences new transactions and future conversions. Existing records may retain their original stored rates and formatting. Once your adjustments look correct, click Save. Before you do, it's a good idea to pause and double-check. Is the symbol what your customers expect to see on invoices? Are the decimal places appropriate for that currency? Does the rate you've entered reflect how you want conversions to be calculated going forward? After saving, the currency list should reflect your updates, and any new transactions using that currency will follow your revised settings. If you don't see the currency's option, or if certain fields are locked, it could be due to user permissions or organization-level restrictions. In that case, reach out to your account administrator to grant access or make the change on your behalf. Also, remember that clarity is key. Document any changes internally so your finance team and stakeholders know when and why the update was made. That helps keep reports consistent and avoids confusion during reconciliations or audits. To recap the flow, open Zoho Books to your dashboard, head into Settings, go to Setup and Configurations, choose Currencies, open the currency you want to modify, make your edits, and save. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can keep your currency details accurate and your financial records clean and consistent. Thanks for watching, and take your time to get each detail right. Your reports will thank you later.